In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a credit card on QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have your card linked, your transactions flowing in, and a clear process to review, categorize, and reconcile everything with confidence. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and opening the company file where you want the credit card connected. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct company, especially if you manage more than one, so your transactions land in the right books. From the left menu, head to Banking or Transactions and then Banking. In the top right, select Add Account. This is where you'll search for and link your credit card provider so QuickBooks can bring in your recent transactions automatically. In the search bar, type the name of your credit card bank and choose the correct institution from the list that appears. If you don't see your provider, you can upload transactions manually using a CSV file instead. But linking is ideal when available because it keeps your feed updated. When prompted, enter the same username and password you use to sign in to your credit card's online portal. Then complete any multi-factor authentication your bank requires. QuickBooks uses secure banking connections, often through trusted partners like Plaid, to fetch data safely. Next, you'll see a list of accounts available from that bank. Select the credit card account or accounts you want to connect, and then click Connect. QuickBooks will start importing recent transactions, which sets you up for accurate, timely bookkeeping. Once the feed is live, go to Banking and then For Review. Work through each imported transaction and assign the right category or expense account. If you track by customer, project, or class, add those details as needed. When QuickBooks finds a likely match to existing entries, choose Match. Otherwise, use Add to create the transaction. Careful categorization here ensures your profit and loss and balance sheet reflect reality, making reports more meaningful. With transactions added, it's time to reconcile your credit card. Navigate to Accounting, Reconcile, and select your credit card account. Enter the statement's ending balance and the statement ending date, then match the transactions in QuickBooks to your statement line by line. Keep going until the difference shows exactly $0. This step confirms that everything is accounted for correctly. Finally, consider setting up rules to speed things up next month. Go to Banking Rules and create a new rule to automatically categorize recurring charges. This saves time and keeps your books consistent going forward. That's it. You've connected your credit card